How to enable Minecraft low graphics mode. First, you want to simply open the Minecraft application, and inside the application you want to simply go to settings. At your settings, you want to simply scroll down on here and you'd be able to see options. Video, you want to simply tap on video, and by doing so you'd be able to see an option here called graphics, performance and layout. You want to simply select graphics, performance and layout. You want to simply select the mode option over here, tap on simple over here if you want your quality to be just simple. After that, you can simply scroll down on here as well. You'd be able to change the brightness of the game over here as well. You want to simply set it to low frame rates if you want to play games on low graphics mode. After that, you want to simply turn this off. Smooth lighting, beautiful skies, and what you can also do is you can simply reduce the render distance as well, and by doing so you'll be able to play Minecraft on low graphics mode. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.